Hey everyone, welcome to Lovely Things. It's your girl Ashley here. Today I am unboxing the main choice package that I received. I received some items from the main choice, so I will be opening and sharing what I have inside with you guys. Oh. So, I got this huge tote. I love the color. It says the main choice on it. This is huge. Definitely using it for grocery shopping. Okay, so that's cute. And then inside, we have some Crocodile clips. I love the purple color. I love their purple color. It's so pretty. Okay, we have some body wash. Oh, wow. This should be amazing. Can you see that? I want to see how it smells. Oh. It kind of smells like, I don't know, it smells like bubble bath. I don't know if that's going to give you guys a good description, but it smells so good and so sweet. I'll definitely be using that. Maybe I should clear and post stuff here so you guys can see it. Okay. I don't know if that's going to focus. Okay, the next I have, lotion. It's the same line. This is the Silk Moisture Passion. This is the lotion. It's very sweet as well. I mean, smells the same. It's very sweet. Just took a little bit out because I want to see how it. So it's a very thin lotion, but you can tell. It gives you that. It's like very. It gives you that soft and like luxurious feel. And it smells so good. So wash, and then immediately after that, I will be lotioning with this. So this is this. It smells really good, and it's a very thin lotion. Not very thin, but it's thin, but it applies very well. Okay, what else? We have plastic conditioning caps, jumbo size to fit up to XL hair. Great for conditioning, coloring, oil treatments, bagging method, and so much more. Nice. Okay, so they're the individual plastic caps. Very nice, very nice. Put that there. I don't know if that's gonna. No. Okay. And then the clips back here. Okay. And I got a bonnet. Oh, this is a surprise. Oh, I have a purple bonnet. I'm so happy. Perfect for all hair types, textures, and lengths. Jumbo size to fit up to XL hair. Double layer to keep the hair from drying out. Comfortable and gentle on edges. Sleep pretty. You got that right. Oh, I always wanted a big one. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. One of my favorite colors is purple, and this is just hitting. You see? So it says that. Y'all, get into this color. So pretty. Ooh. I'm about to feel brand new. And this is the stretch around the, yes. Okay. And that is everything I got. Oh, and I got a gift card to Walgreens. Yeah, so you guys can check them out. I know for sure that their items are sold at Walgreens, so definitely check them out. And thanks again, The Main Choice, for sending me these items. I can't wait to test them all. And guys, thank you for watching. Thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.